Okay guys, so this is going to be another video vlog. I am going to get a Brazilian wax and my armpits waxed at this place called Wax in the City. If you guys don't know my story time about the wax situation, this is like my first wax again in like the last maybe 2 to 3 years. And I said, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and get it again. I'm going to try a different place and just see how it goes. So you guys follow me on my journey. Okay guys, so I am officially done with my wax. So I'm going to give you guys all the deets on how it went. I got what you call a full Brazilian wax, I guess Brazilian bikini wax. Or basically, it's the entire vagina, just the entire vagina, and then also the butt area. I also got my underarms done. The last time I got my underarms waxed at a previous location, which is not Wax in the City, it was actually at European Wax Center. My underarms were very sore, but this was like a day later. So I don't know if my arms are gonna be sore this time or not, but we're gonna see. Anyhow, my wax person was named Raven. Raven was awesome. We just had conversation. She made me feel really, really relaxed, like really calm. She also, we talked through the whole thing. So I told her that my last time getting a wax done was about 2 or 3 years ago. And, you know, she was just like, don't worry. She was really sweet. You know, we talked about everything under the sun. And then we laughed a lot because I kind of get like this kind of like Tourette's-ish kind of thing going on. Every time you pull, another curse word came out of my mouth. So it was not, it wasn't that it wasn't good, but you're ripping hair out of my vajayjay. Like, that's the most sensitive part of the body outside of my eyeballs and my head. So it was just like, you know, I will say that the difference between the Wax in the City and European Wax Center is European Wax Center does large strips. So they do larger sections at one time, whereas Wax in the City, they do smaller sections. So you have a lot more pulls than you would at European Wax Center. I don't know if they've changed how they do it at European Wax Center, but they just do bigger pulls. So instead of it being 20 small pulls, they would do like 5 to 10 pulls versus that. But my tech, she was, or my waxing specialist, I don't know what name they call it. She was very, very sweet. She was also very fast in her pulls. What I did notice is that at European Wax Center, the wax was a lot thicker. At Wax in the City, the wax was slightly thinner. So it didn't feel like you were literally gouging over a very intimate part of my body, right? Anyway, the session lasted from about 3:55 to about 4:25. I mean, I think that was a good amount of time. You know, I only had her stop once, and that was because it was in the extremely most intimate part, which is typically the most tender as well. For my underarms, honestly, I could say if I had to do the pain between a 1 and a 10, the pain was maybe like a 2 or 3. For the chocha, it was like a 13 to 20. I'm just playing, y'all. The chocha was like an 8. But it was a very quick pain. So it wasn't like something that I would say, oh my gosh, I'll never do it again. At the end, I did like the results. I like how it looked. Like, it feels nice and smooth. It's definitely something that I would do again with them, but only with her. Now, of course, you know, that is it's a business, so you lose employees all the time, but Raven was really, really good, and Raven is probably the only person that I will allow to do it. But if I don't have a choice, then I have to choose someone else. But I typically would stick with Raven if I could, as long as she's there. The process leading after the wax was basically you walk out to the counter. Raven waited for me at the counter. She thanked me. I thanked her. They asked me if I wanted any aftercare products, which, you know, Elite Total Body Care has their own aftercare, so I didn't need their aftercare. I have our ingrown hair serum. You guys haven't seen it yet, but we have all these different products that we're releasing. So it was like, we've already had this. Like the ingrown hair serum, we've had it for over 6 months. We've just been making sure that it's tweaked and ready, and I test everything on myself. So I'm going to use that because I'm typically one who does get ingrowns after the fact, because I did get ingrowns the last time. But it also depends on the person who is doing the waxing, because there's a certain way that you pull hair. You typically are supposed to pull hair in the direction that it grows. If you go against that, that is typically how you get ingrowns. At some point during the wax, because of the way the hair grows and because you're trying to get all of the hair, it is also very complicated to go with the grain because you're trying to get the hair out. So I'm not anticipating any ingrowns, but before that even happens, I'm still going to do what I need to do because it's my chocha and I got to make sure that it's okay. Anyhow, outside of that, I'll definitely be exfoliating for the next couple of days. And when you exfoliate, I'll be using our Elite Total Body Care sugar scrub just to kind of exfoliate the area. I prefer the sugar over the salt on the chocha. Okay, you don't put salt in your vagina. Sugar, please. No salt. And just exfoliate that area and then just kind of nurture my little area as it is. But other than that, it was really, really good. It feels great. Most people don't really look at their area, but it looked great. And I hope my father is not watching this video, because my father likes to watch my videos. Daddy, this is not the video for you to watch. All right, let me just put that out there. By now, he's probably sitting there. He probably turned it off already, but anyhow. They did have a plan that basically you get 50% off of waxes that you've never done before. It would make your wax, like my total came to $85, and then because I am new, they gave me 20% off. So it would have been a little bit, it would have been 85, but I ended up paying 73. So instead of me just keeping that extra money, the 85 that I came prepared to pay, I just gave that as a tip to my tech, and that was good. So I had already planned on paying 85. I booked my appointment online with them. It was really simple to book, to be quite honest. I am an online booker. I don't like to have to call places to book appointments. So booking it online was actually really good. I went on and they had appointments today. And that was great for me because I'm an on-the-spot kind of person. I don't really plan out getting my area waxed. It's not really a plan kind of thing. But I just wanted to kind of give you guys my experience getting a wax after not getting one done in the over 3 years. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to visit EliteHairCareUSA.com for our skin and body care items, or you can visit EliteTotalBodyCare.com and it will take you straight to our skin and body care items. But like I said, if you're new to my channel, also please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and comment down below what your experience was on your first wax. Because boy, honestly, well, you can shave in 5 minutes, but you see when you get no wax done, you guys, you start feeling like hair is coming out of nowhere, like the hair is growing back as they're waxing it. Because clearly, I didn't know that there could be that much hair anywhere, and it damn sure didn't seem like it was that much hair. But boy, when you're waxing and you can literally count every hair in your head, it feels like she's been waxing for about 25 years down there. And I'm just sitting there like, okay, are you done? She's like, nope, I got one more spot. They came to a point where I was like, sweetheart, don't even go back. Don't even go back. We done right there. We done right there. Whatever's left there is just left there. She was dying. I had her cracking up the entire appointment because it was crazy for me. But I will definitely go back. I will definitely go back. And it was a great experience. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. And like I said, don't forget to subscribe and also thumbs up this video and comment down below, because I know I'm just a hilarious kind of person, but you gotta laugh even through pain. So I appreciate you guys for watching. Peace.